section of the wall of the small intestine, low magnification. Since in this video we are considering only epithelial tissue, we are interested in villi. Villi are finger-like protrusions of intestinal mucosa that extend into the lumen of the small intestine. Simple columnar absorptive epithelium covers the surface of intestinal villi. It covers, that means it is located outside the villi. A fragment of a villus at high magnification, a fragment of a neighboring villus, and another one, the lumen between the villi, and here, the stroma of the villus of loose connective tissue with blood vessels and smooth myocytes. The epithelium covers the villi from the outside. It means it goes along the edge of the villi, framing it. Simple columnar absorptive epithelium. What does it mean? Simple means that each epithelial cell is adjacent to the basement membrane. The basement membrane is located between the epithelial and the underlying connective tissue. It is not visible on the preparation, but it is visible that the cell's nuclei lie in one row. Columnar indicates the shape of the cell, means it indicates that the height of the epithelial site is greater than the width. Look at the example of one epithelial cell. The basement membrane is located here. That means it is basal pole of the cell, its nucleus, and the apical pole. That is the width and height of this epithelial cell. The height is greater than the width. A columnar-shaped cell. Further, absorptive means that the epithelium has a brush border, a collection of microvilli on the apical surface for better absorption. A single microvilli is not visible under light microscopy, since its thickness is 100 nanometers, which is less than the resolution of a light microscope, which is 200 nanometers. But the height of the microvilli is about 1 micron, 1000 nanometers. This is similar to the situation when we look at a separate piece of paper from an edge at a distance of 10 meters. We cannot determine a separate sheet due to its small thickness, but if we take a stack of paper consisting of hundreds of sheets, then the edge of this stack will be determinable from this distance. On the preparation, a brush border looks like a thin oxyphilically colored stripe. It may be lighter than the cytoplasm of cell, or it may be darker, depending on the preparation. It is light on this preparation. It goes along the edge of the villi. Well, in this epithelium, among the columnar epitheliocytes, we see large rounded cells with a light cytoplasm. These are goblet cells. Goblet cells are single glandular cells that secrete a mucus secretion. So, briefly, on this preparation it is necessary to determine a simple columnar absorptive epithelium. In it, columnar epithelial cells, cell nuclei of which lie in one row, goblet cells, and a brush border.